Welcome to the instructions video for the Pendulum Period Interactive Calculator. This calculator helps you determine how long it takes for a pendulum to complete one full swing cycle. Simply enter your pendulum parameters to instantly calculate the oscillation period for any pendulum configuration. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter a few key values. First, input the pendulum length in meters. This is the distance from the pivot point to the center of mass. For our example, let's enter 1 meter. Next, enter the gravitational acceleration. On Earth, this is typically 9.81 meters per second squared. You can also include a damping coefficient if you want to account for air resistance and friction. Once you enter these values, the calculator displays the period in seconds, showing you exactly how long one complete oscillation takes. The results section also shows the frequency in hertz, which tells you how many swings occur per second. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.